Hello kids, good morning. Today we are going to write capital D and small d. D for dog, D for dot. Capital D start from the top. Draw a standing line down. Go again to the top and draw a curve till the bottom. Standing line, curve. Standing line, curve. Standing line, curve. Draw a standing line and curve. Start from the top and draw a standing line down. Go again to the top and draw a curve till the bottom. D for dog, D for doll, D for drum, D for donkey. Dive, dot, dog, then door, dolphin. Small d start from the middle and draw a small C. Then go to the top and draw a standing line down with a small curl at the bottom. Draw a small C. Go to the top and draw a standing line downwards with a small curl at the bottom. Draw small C, standing line, small curl. C, standing line and small curl. Keep practicing at home. Bye.